Here's one of the really cute cards we made in my June card class, and we used the Friends for Life stamp set, the matching dies, and this adorable paper pack. Now each person received an entire pack of the paper as well as the package of the really cool gems that you'll see at the end here. So if you would like the tutorial for these cards, I do have it for sale as an instant download in my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and then just go to the store. Now I have all of the instructions and the measurements and the ink colors and everything in the tutorial, so that's where you can find all of this info. But it's a really neat fun fold, so I thought that I would show you the idea here, and then you can see some of the things that we do in class. I do mail packets across the United States as well as have an in-person class here in Washington State, and we have so much fun together. Now look at that cute paper. That's just one of the prints, and see the back of it, that you can open up the card and see the back of the print too. It's really cool. And then the sentiments are also part of the stamp set, and it's a really great stamp set. So I hope you enjoy this card. Again, I would love to have you hop on over to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and you can go to the events tab and find out all of the information and registration for next month's class. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again soon.